In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where you cannot faction change in World of Warcraft. So to reproduce this issue, let's go ahead and try and faction change my Demon Hunter. So we click finish. Are you done? Yes. And then on the bottom right, it just grays out. It doesn't give an issue or an error message. And to confirm my mailbox is completely empty, I am not in a guild, etc, etc. So to fix this, what we need to do is back out and enter with the character that we have an issue with. Now, once we're logged in, press H to bring up the housing dashboard and then teleport to your plot. Once you're at your plot, at the very top, click the cogwheel. And what we need to do is choose a different character and then click relinquish, because for some reason Blizzard doesn't give you the error message, because obviously you cannot have this plot if you are Horde. Now, if we log out of this character, hit the faction change button again, and then hit finish, as you can see, it's processing. Anyway, that's all there is to it. Thanks very much for watching. Hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next one.